Guys, in this video, I got some very nice secret info for you guys. And also, I'm going to share with you 2 clips of the NIO CEO and what he said. And then also, we got some NIO stock analysis to do. So first, let's jump into that. So guys, we are still going to go to 7. We are still going to go to 10. We are still going to go to 13. All right, 13 is the final target. All right, we're going to go to at least 10 in my opinion. However, for the past couple days, we have been seeing nothing but up. Up. So it's very possible that we get a retracement. All right, a pullback. All right, that just means more buying opportunity. Where could we potentially pull back to? Potentially pull back to this 0.382 retracement line, which is about 4.88, and then buy, and then off we go off to 7 and 10. All right, so it's just it's very common, all right, for a pullback. It's just a little breather. That's perfectly fine. Of course, we could just not do a pullback and just launch forward up, but we've been going up all these days, all right, nonstop. It is very likely that we see some sort of a pullback, okay? Now moving on. So just a couple days ago, during one of the 567E event, which was basically NIO owners and BMW, Mercedes owners test driving the ET7. This was a video from that event, but he revealed something spectacular, and it is the fact that every year they get a ton of visitors that go to their factories. So that includes this F2 factory. They get over 100,000 people visit the factories every year. And then the first factory gets about 50,000 people. And this is all very sales focused and research focused. And it's not only good promotion, but it's also, as you can tell, very sales orientated. So people can come here, all right, sit at the NIO house, go check out the factory, and then buy a NIO, and then get the car delivered right there in a couple days. That's absolutely amazing. So this is one of their new sales strategy, all right, inviting people to the factory, letting people see how amazing it is, and then selling them the car. So this is quite amazing. But also, one thing that was revealed by someone who was at this event, all right, he said that he visited the factory back in December of last year, and he visited the factory again just a couple days ago, and he said that the factory is a lot more busy now than it was back in December. Guys, this is the secret info. He said that there's a lot more cars being produced right now in these past couple days than back in December. And if you look at December deliveries, all right, back then NIO delivered 18,000 vehicles in December. So that means there are more cars being produced now than that. So that could hint that this month we could be seeing more than 18,000 deliveries. I'm hoping for 20,000, all right, that's their target, but we could also hit 30,000. Very possible with all these auto shows going on, okay? Also guys, NIO CEO said that the Envo orders, all right, will exceed Xiaomi SU7 orders. Very interesting. He said that himself. He's very confident in this car. It has better energy efficiency than a Tesla, cheaper, bigger, more comfortable, can battery swap, right? More screens, apparently. So we'll have to see, but that's kind of far out. What's going on right now? So apparently the ET7 new version has been selling a lot. So that's also going to really help boost deliveries this month as well. Don't forget that. Now, I have a clip over here of what the CEO said about the ET7. Have a listen.
I always think that in a car, if you have a screen, it must be stabilized. Suppose you have a ceiling screen or a tab to put on it. If it shakes, it's pretty weird. We made the N-Box and those AI glasses. We actually use software for anti-shake. But this is hardware, and we put it in. I especially emphasize this point. You must choose such a large screen. You must have anti-shake. I particularly like another feature. For instance, you're my client. Today, we're going to discuss a business. I want to demonstrate our company's introduction. I want to introduce the PTT. I'll project it on this mobile phone. You can directly look over there. Then I'll flip this side, and you can directly flip. Are both screens displaying the same? Yes, for simultaneous broadcasting and control. Can they be different? Of course, they can be different, and if they're not the same, you're holding Bluetooth headphones on both sides, just looking at your own WeChat. But I think this business scenario is particularly useful. Where is it? We all have such a time. You say, you look here together, it's a little strange, but after I finish watching here, I'll see, there are many high-end meetings. That meeting says there shouldn't be a screen in front of each one.
And guys, can you believe what people are saying here in China? Apparently, the launch of the Xiaomi SU7 did not impact NIO at all. Alright, you can clearly tell from the delivery numbers. But instead, it has really let people here in China pay attention to EVs. Alright, so more people are paying attention to EVs, and they're checking out EVs, and then they stumble across NIO, and then they do some more research, and wow, this car is fantastic. So Xiaomi SU7 actually did NIO a huge favor, right, by shifting everybody's attention to EVs. So we should really be thanking Xiaomi for that. But at the same time, Xiaomi SU7 poses zero threat to NIO. They are not even the same customer base. And also, NIO's vehicles, deliveries flying off the roof, guys. Absolutely amazing, man. The ET7, that's going to be a big shocker. We can expect that car to deliver a couple hundred, even maybe 1,000 plus in the first month, all right, in May. So this is going to be amazing. Everything added up with the Bass cars coming in, and then also with the auto show cars coming in. That just means we're going to get a lot of cars. And we got confirmation from people that were at the factory recently. More cars than back in December. So that means we can expect higher than 18,000 deliveries this month in May. So just hold on to your horses. Even though we might pull back, that just means another buying opportunity. All right. And NIO stock, let's go to double digits, guys. NIO stock deserves to be in the double digits. All right. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out. Let's squeeze the shorts.